You've been worried about your children. I get it. How they're growing up, what they're carrying, what they're exposed to, the anger, the anxiety, the addictions, the bullying, and the confusion. But let me tell you something, beloved. You're not crazy. You are in a war. And it didn't start with you, and it certainly didn't start with your kids. It started generations ago. And you're the one that's being called to stop it. This is day 2 of the Take It All Back Spiritual Warfare Challenge. We're coming against every spirit of addiction, rejection, confusion, failure, depression, violence, fear, and gender distortion, and not just with passion. We're coming with fire. If you're tired of watching your kids battle with what your parents never defeated, join us, declare with us, and reclaim your bloodline today. It's free. Don't wait. Step into the fire with us.